How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So check it out. We got two big pieces of news from Palantir today, sending their stock up even higher. Now I think it's up 1.5% on the day. It's at $26.20. And earlier in the pre-market, we were well over $26.50. This is huge, guys. We have to break down what's going on. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000 with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below, the QR code right here, or go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, take a sip of your coffee. You're going to need it for this video, guys, and let's dive right into it. So again, Palantir is up over 1.5% on the day, and in the pre-market, it was at $26.60, extending the gains from yesterday. Yesterday, we hit, I think, $26 at the peak, so we broke out of that and gained another 60 cents on top of that in the pre-market, and as of now, when I'm making this video, we're holding yesterday's high as support. You guys can see here, which technically that's really good for the bulls. We've been holding 26 pretty much all day, and just about 15-20 minutes ago, we double bottomed at 26, and now we're starting to break back towards the mid 26 level, as you guys can see right here, the double bottom, and the breakout is starting. And overall, you guys know, I mean, this is nothing new. Palantir has been breaking out over the past couple of weeks. As you guys can see on this time frame, we've been uptrending for quite some time now. Just in the month of June alone, we are up almost 30% on the stock, and you guys can see on this 4-hour time frame, we're getting awfully close to the highs from the beginning of March, being $27.50. So I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this, especially considering the fact that I've been buying Palantir in the low 20s over the last couple of weeks. I'm loving this, man. This is awesome. So let's break down the news that just came out earlier today. We'll break down what's going on, and yeah, let's talk about it. So again, two big pieces of news. Number one, the Advanced Research Projects Agency for Health, also known as ARPA-H, partners with Palantir to accelerate health outcomes by leveraging AI/ML and data software tooling. And you guys can see here, if I zoom in a little bit, maybe I should make my big old head a bit smaller. That'll help us, right? So we can see here, they announced that they've been selected again by the Advanced Research Projects Agency for Health to support the agency's mission to accelerate better health outcomes. Palantir's AIP and Foundry software will help the agency drive key workflows by providing a data strategy and infrastructure that will underpin business operations and enable continuous improvement. The contract is worth $19 million over 2 years, and their mission mandate is to accelerate better health outcomes for everyone by supporting the development of high-impact solutions to society's most challenging health problems, and the agency advances high-potential, high-impact biomedical and health research that cannot be readily accomplished through traditional research or commercial activity, right? And investing in enterprise data provides the organization with the continuous feedback loop to accelerate innovation. Very, very big news here, guys, for Palantir, and again for ARPA-H, you guys can see. And to meet ambitious goals laid out by the agency, they partnered with Palantir to provide the data infrastructure for the core operations in order to rapidly collect, synthesize, analyze, and make decisions from a range of data sources while ensuring security and privacy controls that meet and exceed the mandatory standards. So that's number one, guys. Very big piece of news there. Again, a 2-year deal, a 2-year contract worth $19 million. And we also got news that Star Lab Space, they've announced a strategic partnership as well with Palantir. You guys can see, if I zoom in a little bit here. Let's take a look. So Starlab Space LLC, the U.S.-led global joint venture across Voyager Space, Airbus, Mitsubishi Corporation, and MDA Space, they today announced Palantir as a strategic partner. Palantir will become the exclusive supplier of enterprise-wide software data management solutions for Starlab commercial space station. And of course, this is big, guys, as Starlab and Palantir will leverage data modeling through digital twins and AI technologies to enhance Starlab's operation throughout the enterprise, right? The Starlab digital twin will optimize resource allocation, mission planning, and overall system performance, reducing operational costs and streamlining onboard operations for the Starlab crews. And using Palantir's technology, right, Starlab will be able to identify potential issues and predict maintenance, helping extend the lifespan of critical components. And of course, predictive processing will also optimize onboard research by modeling the microgravity environment and completing pre-launch analysis. And Tim Kopra, who's the CEO of Starlab Space, said Palantir's advanced AI technologies will revolutionize how space stations are managed and operated, which could be another whole, area for Palantir to get into, right? And further, Palantir's expertise in data analytics and predictive modeling will drive innovation and efficiency across the entirety of our joint venture. And together, we are poised to advance the frontiers of space research and ensure we remain resilient, effective, and adaptive as we forge into this new era of commercial space exploration. So Palantir inked a space deal and a deal in the healthcare space in the same day. Well, I guess obviously this has been in the making, but we got the news today, which is very, very good for the stock. And it's been, I feel like, good news after good news after good news here for Palantir. And like I said earlier in the week, I've been saying this before this big run up, I think Palantir is going to $30 this year. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to go buy it. This is just my opinion, and it's been coming true. Slowly but surely, it's been coming true. As again, you guys can see the stock is starting to push the multi-month high, which on the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see we hit this 2750 level back in March. We can see that right here, and clearly it looks like we're going to test that again. Dare I say, break it, right? Dare I say, break it. We're already above the highs from the earnings report a couple of weeks ago. Now the next main resistance is 2750. If we're able to get out of there, guys, I think 29 is next. Yeah, $29 was a main spot back in September of 2021. If that breaks, hey, 30 plus could be right around the corner. So that's a quick breakdown on the news here, a quick look at the charts. And again, guys, full disclosure, I'm long Palantir. I've been in for a couple of weeks now, buying pretty much every single week. And yeah, I'm loving it, man. I'm holding long term, and I'm not planning on selling anytime soon. So what are your thoughts, guys? Let me know down below in the comments. Smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe as well, as we are trying to get to 50,000 subs this year. And by the way, guys, if you have not gotten up to 15 stocks yet for Moomoo, each up to $2,000 with at least a $100 deposit, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below, the QR code right here, or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your money, guys. It's free money, and you might as well check out my Patreon if you guys want to be a part of the portfolio I'm building, which we're crushing it. The Discord chat, I post ideas and thoughts on the Patreon. That's down below, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you in the next one.